This is Jeff from Aible, and today I'll be showing you how to supercharge Tableau in Salesforce with business optimized AI. Much like Tableau has democratized BI and analytics, Aible has democratized machine learning and AI. Aible elevates Tableau analysts and business users up to speed with data scientists and makes it possible for them to infuse business optimized AI directly within Tableau and transform dashboards into more operational applications than they are today. Now, with the Tableau extension from Aible, what we'll show you is that frontline users can leverage predictions that are optimized for ROI within your Tableau visualizations, conduct scenario testing with real-time recommendations, provide real-time feedback on AI recommendations, and customize AI to match personal preferences by making your models more aggressive or conservative. We'll also be showing you how Aible brings in collaborative capabilities for other business teams, including analysts, data scientists, and operations, who can access and train models based on data from the Tableau dashboard or other external sources, can create use case specific business blueprints, assess impact of cost benefit drivers and the current state of business, and finally train and deploy models. You'll see all of this and more in the demo. The key differentiator for Aible is that unlike other vendors that focus on data science metrics like accuracy, Aible trains a portfolio of models that helps optimize limited resources to deliver maximum business impact even under changing conditions. In this section of the demo, we'll focus on the experience for your frontline users, typically explorers or viewers within the Tableau world. You'll see how these users can get access to robust Aible recommendations that help them take the next best action. Tableau empowers organizations like yours to visualize your data and to generate valuable insights on your rear-facing data. What you might not know is that it's actually a short step to get to the next step of optimized predictions that can exponentially enhance your Tableau users' experience in your organization and recommend actions to maximize the bottom line. Aible is being used across industries and functions to cover key use cases such as customer retention, inventory stockout, and fraud detection. The reason we're able to do this is because of custom blueprints within the platform that help optimize the predictions to your specific use case. In this example, let's specifically focus on the sales optimization Tableau dashboard and use case, but keep in mind that you could do this with the same approach to your team's on-time delivery or customer attrition dashboards, for example. Let's imagine we're an account executive with a Tableau viewer license that uses our organization's sales opportunity dashboard here to review our sales funnel. Here on the left side is my Tableau dashboard that a Tableau creator on my team has embedded Aible predictions to track our open sales opportunities by stage. Here on the right is the Aible for One Tableau extension that we'll get to in a moment. Now, if you're familiar with sales funnel reviews typically start with the largest deals first, rather than those that will add the most value. Most data science tools prioritize the opportunities with the highest chance of closing based on models trained on accuracy rather than business impact. But due to this, these tools fail to identify the opportunities that will provide the most ROI or align with your business realities. Most importantly, you want to spend time wisely by pursuing opportunities that are going to help deliver your KPIs and avoid wasted effort as much as possible. Aible uniquely solves these challenges by identifying which of your opportunities will provide the most business impact, which are worth your time to pursue, and which ones are not worth your time. And the end result is a prioritized list on the left side of your dashboard that I should pursue, and the confidence knowing that you'll be using your time wisely while moving faster. In addition to infusing Tableau visualizations with business optimized predictions, Aible takes your Tableau dashboards to the next level by allowing frontline users to conduct what-if scenario testing to help them make stronger decisions that impact the bottom line. You can see the Aible extension here on the right side panel, which frontline users can use to gain recommendations by conducting scenario testing and simulations. For instance, imagine a sales rep who will be able to create a unique scenario and get a personalized recommendation on whether or not to pursue a particular opportunity. Keep in mind that this is specific to a sales use case, but this could easily apply to a retail store rep who's trying to choose to put a specific product on promotion, or a materials manager deciding whether to expedite a particular material to avoid a stockout. Here you can see I've created a series of sales scenarios that are covering a few different business opportunities that I wanted to simulate. What you'll notice is Aible is not just telling you the prediction, the probability of an opportunity being won, but also whether it's worth your time to pursue, and the largest positive and negative drivers explaining why. In another example, Aible is actually recommending that I ignore this particular opportunity. A key differentiator from other data science tools, Aible empowers every Tableau user to receive personalized predictions and context-specific recommendations that take into account their individual needs. Since the platform offers a portfolio of models for every business scenario, users can adjust the AI to be more aggressive or conservative to match their goals, capabilities, and preferences. For instance, imagine two different sales reps. The first that can quickly qualify 200 opportunities a month, but the other that prefers to closely work 10 opportunities and take their time. A typical one-size-fits-all approach would leave both dissatisfied. Every individual in your organization likely has different preferences or capacity, and it's critical for your AI to provide personalized recommendations. You'll see, for example, as I move this slider to be more aggressive, Aible automatically switches to the optimal model and provides updated guidance on what you should do. In this case, Aible is now telling you to pursue this once ignored opportunity. The end result is a tailored experience for your end user directly within Tableau. The nature of AI is that it works better with direct feedback from across the organization. Without feedback, the learning process is absent and the AI is never going to get better. Now, typically it's impossible for people in the field like yourself and your frontline users to provide critical feedback when predictions don't align with the kind of business reality that you formed over your years of experience in this particular area. For the first time, you can now provide direct feedback over AI models in production to quickly inform your organization of changing potential conditions. By upvoting or downvoting these particular predictions, Aible will aggregate this feedback over the organization and provide clear indications of what might need to be done. That feedback informs the team by creating the AI models so that micro adjustments can be made, and Aible's end-to-end collaborative process ensures business adoption of AI at scale and increases the value that Tableau brings to your organization. Now that you've seen what the experience would be for frontline business users, let's see what it takes to create this kind of integration. A key strength of Aible is that it democratizes AI to users beyond data scientists, empowering analysts and other line of business managers to take more direct ownership and autonomy by using automated machine learning. Analysts or even business managers who can work with frontline users can quickly import data directly from Tableau or choose to access external sources by uploading a CSV or connecting to one of our series of enterprise connectors. In this example, I will select the sales optimization dataset that was taken from my Tableau dashboard to get started. Now here I want to predict whether or not I'm going to win an opportunity. And what's incredibly valuable here is that Aible is immediately speaking in the language of your use case through what we call a blueprint. Aible blueprints are the underpinnings of what makes it possible to identify the real business impact with every use case. Blueprints span across industries and functions and are extremely customized to your use cases. Aible offers a standard set of blueprints for use cases such as customer retention and an inventory stockout, but you can certainly customize blueprints to map to your business. In this example, we're going to walk through the sales optimization use case. Now I can easily input key cost and benefit drivers from our use case, such as margin, deal size, sales salary, etc., to create custom AI models that will identify and deliver optimal impact based upon my criteria. Once I click create, Aible trains a frontier over 60 models that will help me hone in on precisely the right models for my organization. After just a few minutes, I've generated insights from the data from either Tableau or other sources directly within my dashboard, and I can quickly review the key drivers that help me explain whether or not it's worth pursuing an opportunity. In this case, we can see that close date, last contact duration, and other key economic indicators were the most important drivers. Collaboration is critical for any successful AI initiative and goes beyond just individual predictions. Let's take a quick look from the perspective of the business team and how they can leverage the full power of Aible. Here Aible is recommending an optimal level of resourcing for my particular sales team and how I should be splitting it across particular opportunities, and most importantly, how much revenue and profitability my actions will deliver. And all of this was done through the same blueprint that we went through in Tableau previously. This comes through a collaborative effort within the business team who entered their own cost and benefit assumptions and tested multiple directions to set the direction going forward that is going to be fundamentally aligned with the business strategy. For example, the team might be exploring a scenario focused on growth or maximizing profit, cutting costs, or trying to respond to COVID. Regardless, Aible is going to help determine the optimal actions to drive that strategy. Once aligned, the team can then deploy this strategy, evaluate the expected impacts, and then decide where they want to deploy this. For example, they can deploy the selected strategy out into systems like Tableau that we saw previously, or Salesforce to help individuals in the field drive optimal outcomes. We go back to our Tableau dashboard with our global view and specifically focus on this particular top opportunity that Aible identified. Here I've linked my Salesforce to this particular table And I'm now navigated directly to the record in Salesforce. We can see the prediction and recommendation on the right and understand the key prediction drivers. Most importantly, Aible will provide updated predictions as the opportunity evolves over time or I get new information from prospects. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and by now you've probably seen how easy it is to add AI to your Tableau dashboards. We'd love to show you how Aible can help deliver business impact for your use case. To request your custom demo today, head to aible.com/demo. We look forward to hearing from you.